can see, the highway's not far. It's really only a 5-minute hike up from the parking lot. There's multiple fire lookouts throughout the Cariboo area and further down through Lytton and everything, but those ones are more summertime ones as they are covered in snow right now, and they're for driving too.
Named after the famous judge, Sir Mathew Begbie, the Begbie Lookout sits at the summit of Begbie Mountain at an elevation of approximately 1,276 meters. Although the original tower that was built in 1923 would later be torn down, a new tower was constructed in the 1970s that still stands today. This former fire lookout tower was built to aid with detecting forest fires in the surrounding Cariboo area. During its operational life, the lookout tower was staffed with an observer during the fire season, which was typically from early May to late September. The lookout observer would become accustomed to the area they watched and would be in constant contact with observers from the other 11 lookout towers in the area. This lookout was officially established as a public recreation site in 2011, allowing visitors to not only enjoy the panoramic views offered at the top of the mountain, but also to discover the history and importance of fire lookouts in British Columbia.
In classic me fashion, I brought my drone and everything, and forgot an iPhone cable to plug my phone into my drone, which I do every time I come somewhere, I swear. Cool.